It's December 20th, 2021. It's a Monday. Lou and Linda advised me that the new tenant that they took on, one from the Navy, so he says, but I don't have paperwork. Lou says he provided paperwork to Lewis. He then said to me that he was under some President Clinton thing. No idea what that's about. He came down and said to Lou or Linda that he was exposed to people who had COVID, even though he's fully vaccinated. Then the girlfriend or wife or whatever they are, the Colombian, he's Real Madrid supposedly, which he said comes through like a microphone of Morocco, Dominican Republic, and something else, Spain, I think. So that's one set of circumstances, said he was exposed, but he's vaccinated. I have no way of verifying that. Then the girl, the woman, she's from Colombia. She said, and she works for Humana, some insurance company, health insurance. She's a salesperson, so she makes money when people get sick. She makes money when people are broken. So she came down and told Lou and Lynn that she also was exposed to people with COVID. So, of course, hypochondriac Linda, who technically should not have any vaccines on her record, but does, because of situations like this. I've got the health insurance workers, terroristic, strong arm and intimidation tactics to the unbeknownst innocent morons that gave birth to me, who don't know any better. And they're taking advantage of public health positions and situations to gather more strength in some bioengineering process that is somewhere between, like, some of them have like unlimited tax accounts and like expenditure accounts, and then when the tax bill comes in there's a deficit or there's like a discrepancy, right? So that's what they're trying to fulfill, because they're out there campaigning like, we got all the testing done, like we billed the insurance, we fulfilled our, or satisfied whatever our numbers were, right? Yeah, okay. What, taking advantage of the rest of us and pushing us into programs and schemes that are actually hazardous to our health now and in the future? I'm just curious. So, of course, it came out. So, of course, it came out about vaccinating whatever, and it's just like, there's somewhere in between public health agreement, public health crisis, and the truth about balanced billing and situational personal freedoms. And this message that one particular area of the population has bought into and is now like avid salesmen with their own set of social laws that are completely oppressive and borderline offensive to the rest of us that know that there's a bigger schematic going on, and they're using these intimidation tactics to gain further access in other areas that they're not allowed in, but they're using this to offset other negotiations, which is really painfully whatever, in whatever. So Lynn was like, just stay away from them and don't speak to them. I'm like, yeah, well, that's easy enough. I wasn't really planning on it. I mean, a passing comment here or there, whatever. But for the most part, I don't. So, oh, and on tonight's newscast, oh, Tia Frio, by the way, 1975, lets her rip tonight in front of Lynn that he saw some posting with one of his friends, because he does social media like the humans do, where there's some interaction, like you post and then you look for other people's reactions, like, oh my god, I'm part of something. Right, yeah. I'm not the same. So one of his friends posted something about like, rest in peace, R.I.P. 2004 white couple for media, because I told him something that I had seen on television that was disturbing. And also this Eric Adams, who's mayor-elect, which I don't know. Again, he's not sworn in, but he was inside of the municipality building where they removed Thomas Jefferson's statue. And he already has lined up as an announcement tonight, December 20th, 2021, on the evening news, already lined up and announced 5 women deputy mayors, which again, I'm not familiar with that title, but this is all the secret selective process that they've installed without without the president's founder's children being involved whatsoever. Like, this is aftermath being rushed to the altar before certain other things go into effect, which I don't know what those are. But it is really obvious. It's almost like he already came to secret selection process with everything in tow of exactly what they were going to put in really dangerous operations based on the prior operations failing and being installed in a failure pattern. And now we're here. And it's getting faster and harder to explain because I didn't take part in any of this. I wasn't consulted in any of this. And I've been ignored the whole entire time while trying to figure out how I can fit into the world at large and do my part in whatever needs to be part of the fix and the correction. I don't want to be dragged down the ostomy and colony bag for things that I did not partake in. Star 1978, star 8378, Nicole Cattaruzza. It's Earth, Solar System, Milky Way, Universe, Galaxy is broken. It's Bayside Station, Bayside, New York, 11361.